Are you interested in becoming a Twitch affiliate and want to know the requirements? If so, stay tuned. What is going on, guys? Chad here from How To Tech, the channel dedicated to helping you take your tech to the next level. And in this video, we're going to be breaking down the Twitch affiliate requirements. Let's go ahead and jump into this. All right, so before we get into this, I want to very briefly mention some of the things that breaks down what a Twitch affiliate is. If you want the full description of all the features of a Twitch affiliate, or if you want to know the difference between a Twitch affiliate and a Twitch partner, we've broken that down in a video right here. So just go ahead and click it and check it out. So with that being said, what are some of the base things that you get with being a Twitch affiliate? One, you can now have subs, so you can make money from subs. You can make money from ads. You can have emotes for your channels for your subs so they can help support your channel and, you know, just kind of celebrate it in that way. You can also get donations from bits, and you get sub badges and things like that of that nature. And the list is a little bit more than that, but that is just a quick little breakdown of some of the benefits of a Twitch affiliate. With that out of the way, let's talk about the 4 things you must accomplish to become a Twitch affiliate and be eligible. So there are 3 moving targets. Those are within a 30-day time bracket, and we will talk about that 30 days just being the last 30 days and constantly updating, obviously, from day to day. And the other one is static, and that is you must have 50 followers on your Twitch channel. And if you guys are interested, let me know in the comment section down below if you want a video broken down on the best way to actually meet the Twitch affiliate requirements and how to do it fast. And if so, at some point in time, if we ever get that done, I will put that video up here if I remember to do so. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and then talk about the other 3 requirements that are a little bit more difficult, in my opinion, to get to than the 50 followers. Starting first with some of the moving goals, number 1 is you have to have 500 total minutes of broadcast time on Twitch, once again, in the last 30 days. And to accompany that, you also need to stream on 7 unique days within those 30 days. So you can't just get 500 minutes of stream time in a day and then be like, hey, we're good. You actually have to spread that out over 7 different days. And the reasoning behind that is to just see that if you're going to stream consistently. And I guess this cuts down the amount of people that are trying to negatively impact Twitch's system or cheat the system in some way. And the last moving requirement that you're going to have to meet is over those last 30 days, you need to have an average of 3 concurrent viewers. So if you don't know what concurrent viewers are, it's essentially an average of 3 people at least watching your stream at any given time. That doesn't mean, for example, if you stream for a day with no viewers to 1 to 2 viewers, that it's not possible to do this. That just means whenever you stream the next day, hopefully you're going to have more in the range of like 5 to 6 to help offset that previous day. So what you're essentially going to want to do is you're going to want to average out over time as having an average of at least 3 or more viewers watching your stream. So what happens once you fulfill all these requirements that Twitch is set to meet the affiliate standard? Well, you will actually receive an email, and you will also receive a notification in your Twitch dashboard, and you'll just go through the process of accepting it, entering some legal information so you can start making money, and then you'll get access to what's called an affiliate dashboard. And inside this affiliate dashboard, you'll have access to all the things we've previously mentioned, such as emotes, sub badges, and tons and tons and tons of more stuff that is really awesome for your channel. So that is going to be all for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let us know in the comment section down below if this was useful to you and if you learned anything. And also let us know if you want to see more Twitch tips and tricks and all that kind of stuff to help you guys out with your Twitch channel, or if you're just interested and curious of how all that stuff works. So once again, this is going to be Chad from How To Tech, helping you take your tech to the next level, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.